Good evening. I'm Coach Wiethorn. I'm the sixth grade boys pre-athletic coach and also a third period PE teacher. This is my 43rd year of teaching. I've been at Midway since 1985, so I've been around a long time. And I'm really excited to have your son or daughter in my class this year. I have a lot of exciting things planned. Certainly in pre-athletics, we want to try to give them a good basic understanding of the different programs that they will be having the opportunity to participate in the years to come. Probably one of the biggest things is just them having a good understanding of what the expectations are going to be, what it's going to be like to be a Midway Panther and all the particular programs that they'll have the opportunity to be in. In PE, we want to give them lots of opportunities to be involved in different things. We'll play lots of different games. We'll also participate in different sports, but certainly not at the level that we would for the pre-athletic classes. Probably the overriding thing with all of my classes, whether it's pre-athletics or PE, is having the students to understand the importance of physical education, of being physically fit now, in the years to come, and throughout their entire lifetime. It's been a proven fact that students that are physically active do better academically in school. And so we want to certainly emphasize that now, but likewise having a good understanding of the importance of doing that in the future. Again, it's a fun time. Really excited about this year. Can't think of anything else that I would rather be doing than teaching. And so if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me anytime through email. And you guys, y'all have a great year, and certainly we look forward to having a great year with your students. Thank you.